Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the Media Gallery application on your PlayStation 5 so you can view screenshots or video clips you captured. Now, the easiest way for me to view the screenshots is by pressing the share button. So if I press this down here or hold it down, I can go on over to my most recent captures right here. So if I select this, I can see my gameplay. So if I play it, I can watch it while I'm playing a game. It'll just overlap over the screen. Then I can press R1 and I can go through all the different video clips. Then I can go to where it says go to Media Gallery right here. And this will open up full screen where you can see all your different video clips. You can scroll on down and see them all. Otherwise, you can go to favorites, trophies, albums, and if you ever do plug in like a USB thumb drive or something like that, you should be able to see it right here. And if you have any captures on there, you can see it. Otherwise, you can transfer these captures to a USB by pressing options on them. Go to copy to USB. Otherwise, you have sort and filter over here. You can go new to old. Otherwise, the size right there, I usually just go newest on top. Now, another way that you can view this is if we scroll on over to game library, we can find it under here. So here is Media Gallery. Just select this application, and then you'll go to the same spot. Now, most of the time, I just keep this on the home screen here, so let's go home, and then find it under here. And since you just open it, it should be near the top. Press options on it, and just check mark keep in home. And then the application will always be on the home screen. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.